When an earthquake strikes, every second counts. Being prepared can make all the difference. In today's video, I'll share crucial tips to help you and your family stay safe. First, prepare your home. Secure heavy furniture and appliances to prevent tipping. Store breakable items on lower shelves and make sure emergency exits are clear. During an earthquake, remember drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to your hands and knees, cover your head and neck under sturdy furniture and hold on until the shaking stops. Avoid windows and objects that could fall. After the shaking stops, check for injuries and hazards like gas leaks. Evacuate if necessary, and use a flashlight instead of matches to avoid sparks. Your emergency kit is essential. Include water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a portable phone charger. Make sure it's easily accessible. Finally, have a family communication plan. Designate a meeting spot and ensure everyone knows what to do if separated. Earthquakes are unpredictable, but preparation isn't. Take these steps now to protect yourself and your loved ones. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.